I get this question all the time. Devin, how can you tell if a niche has enough video ideas before you launch a channel? Here's the simplest rule. Don't validate the niche by asking, is this popular? Validate it by asking, can I name 30 useful videos without reaching? I use a quick 3-part test. First, the 3-0 video test. Open a doc and list 30 video titles in one sitting. If you stall at 12 and start writing weak stretch topics, that niche is probably too thin. Second, the 3 bucket test. Your niche should have at least 3 recurring content buckets. For example, beginner how-tos, mistakes to avoid, and comparisons or breakdowns. If every idea falls into one bucket, the channel gets repetitive fast. Third, the progression test. A good niche lets the viewer grow. You should be able to make content for beginner, intermediate, and advanced intent. That's how you get repeat viewers instead of one-hit traffic. My decision rule is simple. If you can map 30 titles, 3 solid buckets, and 3 audience stages, the niche has depth. If not, narrow it or shift the angle before you launch. If you want to organize that validation into an actual production system, Satura is useful for turning those buckets into a working content pipeline. That's the test.